Which expression is equivalent right here? Well, basically this is what I like this here. I don't like negative exponents. So simply negative exponent is the same as in the numerator makes it a positive in the denominator. Then I ask myself this question here. I have more x's in the denominator. Well, 14 minus 7 is 9. So that's my answer. So my answer here, though, the n is to the, actually, in this problem right here, I need to put this back up to the top because it's in this format. It doesn't want to say 1 over x, what's the nth power? Ooh, I have to be very careful about this. Or I could have stood here 5 minus 14 would have probably been the better way to go now that I look at it. Because I went in this form here, that's the x. That's why this answer is going to be negative 9. And, all right, here we go. Here's another expression equivalent to. Well, here I'm going to take this 3 is going to go to the 5 and the x squared. So notice I wrote it that way. And this 1/2 is going to go only to the x to the 6th. Well, 5 to the 3rd is 125. You can do that in your calculator, or do 5 times 5 is 25. Times 5 more, which is 5 quarters, is 125. And then 2 times 3 is 6. So time you multiply exponents of x to the 6th. And 6 times 1/2 is 3. Now because I have x6 and x3, I can add these together, which makes x to the 9th. So the answer is 125, x to the 9th. I can go to my like I said, I didn't go to the calculator on this one. We'll do one more here. That's very equivalent. So here I have these, notice I have them combined, colored up here. I can do 16 divided by 6. But I'm going to probably move this negative 3 up here, and this negative 8 down to the denominator, negative 3 up. I like to I don't like negatives, so I kind of moved them around. I got rid of the negatives first. That's just my personal way of doing it. Now, 16 is 6. 6 doesn't go into 16, but 2 will go into each of those. Reduce it to 8/3. And then I have this 3 plus 3, so that's 8 to the 6th. I have this B3, and then notice I kind of went ahead and separated one here, forgot to talk about. I have, in the C3, C5, I have 5 more C's in the denominator than I do the numerator, because that's like 8 minus 3. Technically, we'll go 3 minus 8 and get a negative 5 and move it down. That's fine. All right. So that's our answer right there.